Okay, as promised, overdue but promised, my little fertilizer regime. So you can see that this is just a water tank, plastic water tank, and we're cooking, I don't know, that's the word, our fertilizer product. So what's it made of? Well, this here is Liquid True 412, I believe. It's a OMRI certified molasses based nitrogen source, for organic nitrogen source. So I put in about about 3 gallons. This is a 300-gallon tank, I think, so I got about 250 gallons in there. And I put about 3 gallons in. So what is that, 1%? Then I use, which is now hard to get, this Sustain 824. It's a pellet. And I put it in a tea bag and suspend it in the tank. So it's submerged. Can you see the water line in there? I'll go in there in a minute. But it's submerged, and so it's acting like a tea bag. And then I used to buy humic acid. There's humic acid right there. But now I just make my own. You've seen that vat or basin that I use, and I just I might use 10 gallons, maybe 5 gallons, but I have a surplus of it. It doesn't cost me anything, so I use the humic acid. And I don't have any now, but I buy mycorrhiza. Now, if it were me, everything would be made in this tank, because this tank, and we do use this tank, but this tank is stainless steel, and it's so easy to clean. You can see we just hose it down and throw the extra water right over there onto that, pile of compost. So I prefer that, but we're making this batch here. I promised you I was going to show you, and so here it is. My secret. It's not a secret, but I think it's the secret. It's the secret, not my secret, is the aeration, And I adjust the submersible pump so that it splashes and creates the bubbling effect there. So you're basically mixing and aerating at this. It's the oxygen that's helping to, I don't know if it's stimulate the organisms, because now you take those 3 ingredients, 4 if you add the mycorrhiza, and you turn it into another product. It converts. After about 72 hours, it converts. So I hope that's been helpful. I'll just quick walk over here to the cooler. Okay, I gotta open the door, so let me turn this off. It's the end of this picking wave. The red crates are number 2s. This group are our number 1s. And then we actually have a small size of number 3s. But primarily we box and sell these here. And so that's another long story. I have to talk about it someday when I'm shipping pallets. Shipped 3 pallets yesterday. This was the kind of the leftover. So I'm selling this to my neighbor. A neighbor wants this.